Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make the best broccoli cheese soup, and we make it low carb. Let me show you how. It is loaded with broccoli and cheese. You are not going to want to miss this recipe. You can find the link to the recipe in the description below, or you can search broccoli cheese soup on jenniferbands.com. Hey guys, today we're going to make a delicious broccoli cheese soup, and it's going to be super easy. It only uses 7 ingredients. So let's get started. And first, what we're going to use is 4 cups of chicken broth. Ooh, that's a lot. So the first thing we need to do is cook our broccoli. So we've also got 4 cups of broccoli. You need lots of broccoli because this is broccoli cheese soup, right? Lots of broccoli and lots of cheese. So we're going to cook this broccoli until it is fork tender. We also need to add in our carrots, our shredded carrots. This is half a cup of shredded carrots. And guess what? If you don't want to add carrots, don't add carrots. Because you're the boss. You can do whatever you want. But we're going to cook these broccoli florets until they are nice and soft. I've got the temperature on like a medium high. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and then we'll reduce it to simmer so they can get soft. Okay, our liquid is starting to boil, so I'm going to turn this down to simmer, and I'm going to cover it with the lid for a few minutes just to let the broccoli soften. Okay, our broccoli is done. As you can see, it is fork tender. And that was so quick. This broccoli is small, so it cooks pretty fast. So now we can add in our seasonings. We've got some garlic powder and some onion powder. Stir that in, and then we can add in our cheese and our cream, and this will be finished. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, so our cheese, this is pre-shredded cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. So we're gonna add it in a little bit at a time so it can incorporate and melt into the soup. Make it nice and cheesy. We can put the last of it in there. And our cream. I told you this was such an easy recipe because we are just about done. But guess what? It needs more cheese. Let's add in some more cheese. Okay, we've got more cheese. So I am going to end up putting 4 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I mean, it's broccoli cheese soup. You got to have lots of broccoli and you got to have lots of cheese. It is coming together. Okay, let's taste this and make sure we don't need any more seasoning. Ooh, that is so good. I'm gonna add some pepper. Okay, I'm gonna add some pepper. can really taste that garlic powder in there. That is good. And one final ingredient is some cream cheese. This is really gonna make it nice and creamy and thick. Just gonna let that melt in there. Our soup is all done and it is so creamy. So that took no time at all. So I'm going to ladle some into my bowl here. Oh yeah. So much broccoli, full of vegetables, but also lots of cheese. Ooh. And we can top this off with a little more cheese, of course. And how amazing does that look? Guys, this easy broccoli cheese soup recipe is on my blog, jenniferbands.com. And I've also got the link to the recipe in the description below, but I hope that you make this comforting soup filled with veggies and cheese. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.